do another painting. Today we got a 16 by 20 canvas we're going to be doing a painting on. And today we're going to be doing a 1958 Chevrolet with a Continental kit on the back of it, a rear view of it, and that's what we're going to be doing today. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate everybody watching the video, and let's get busy on the painting.
The 58 Chevy with the Continental kit all painted up. Got it hanging on the wall. Appreciate you watching the video. Remember, I have a Facebook page called Classic Paintings. You can see all my work there. Also, if you have a car you'd like to see painted on this channel, just shoot me an email at garypaintsit@outlook.com. Appreciate everybody watching the video. Remember, God loves us. Jesus died for us. We're all blessed in many ways. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.